Hi everyone, here I am at Target. Let's take a look at what they have in accessories. Okay, look how beautiful that is. Okay, these are on clearance for $11.89. That is so beautiful. Then they have the Sugar Fix earrings. Let me just back up and show you the styles and then come up close. And this here is on clearance. So this here, these two earrings are $10. Sugar Fix. This one is $14. And this one here is $10. And this one is $10. And that one. So you got two pair here of earrings for $10. These are also on clearance. Look at these. I don't think these are on clearance. So this one's $14.99 and this one is $12.99. It's $12.99. These are so pretty. So these make nice gifts. Okay, look at that bag. Okay, let's see. So it's Buy a New Day, and that's $30. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, you got some headbands. So these are $14.99. Buy a New Day. And then this bag here, look how pretty. So it comes in that black and this taupe color and that yellow. And Buy a New Day, that's $28. So that's the necklace. Isn't that gorgeous? Then here's another one, and it is on clearance for $7.49. Let's see what else. Okay, so here we have another one on clearance for $10, and then they have these. So this necklace here, let's see how much that is. That's Buy a New Day. That's $16.99. And these pearls are $19.99. Those are really pretty. Let's see. That's very nice. So that one is on clearance for $7.49. I'm liking this one. This one is so nice. That one is $16.99. And then here, these are $12.99, and they come in the red and the white. And then these here are $12.99 also. So these are the styles they have. Aren't those pretty? $14.99. Then these right here are $12.99. Look at the colors. Very nice. These are on clearance for $9.09. Those are so pretty. Oh, and look at these. $9.09. I like those. And these. Okay, so that's what they have there. So this is $36.99, and that's Buy a New Day. Isn't that pretty? Okay, they have this style also. This one is $36.99. That's also a New Day, and this is the style to that one. And then we have this style bag here. It's a nice color blue. Universal threads, and that's on clearance for $24.49. That's very pretty. Then you have some more headbands over here. So this one is Buy a New Day, and that one is $10. I like this bag. This one is $25. Buy a New Day, and look at that purple. Isn't that pretty? So that purple is $25. I'm loving the chain. Beautiful color. Okay, some more headbands over here. This is the nice color, this one down here. So these headbands are on clearance. I don't know if all of them are, but these top ones, so they're on clearance for $5. Let me see if this one's on clearance. See, this one isn't. Okay. And here it is in that burgundy color. Okay, so this is Buy a New Day. It's shaped like a little box, this purse, and that's $35. And this, I like this color. Reminds reminds me of a chartreuse color. It's not pretty. Universal threads, and that's $17.99. Then you have that one. And these studs here, let's see, $15. So you have that style. And this one. And that one. So it says jewelry gifts for $20. Rose quartz. This one is pretty. This one's on clearance, so some of them are on clearance and some of them aren't. So this one is $14 on clearance, and these are on clearance for $4.50. Let's see what's over here. So it looks like some hair ties and some clips, and they're all on clearance. So the hair ties are $3.50, and this is what they look like. And these clips over here are $7. And these are $7. These are $5. Very pretty. Let's see. So then we have some bags. Let's see. Okay, so this one here is Universal Threads. It's like a canvas bag. And that's $29.99. I like that bag though. And this one. Okay, this is what the front of that bag looks like. That's also by Universal Threads, and that's $34.99. Let's see. This one here. Let's see. Universal Threads, $36.99. It's pretty. Here's another canvas bag, Universal Threads. This one is a little smaller. Okay, and this one is $24.99. This is a nice color. It's like a burnt orange tote, and that one, $29.99. Then you have this one. Look how pretty that one is. $35. Universal Threads. That's what that looks like right there. Let me see, this backpack here is on clearance for $24.99. I like that backpack. Very nice color. This bag here, Universal Threads, that little handbag, $29.99. And then this little mini backpack in black, it's Universal Threads, $27.99. And this is a nice color green. This one is Universal Threads for $29.99. And then you have these. You have some backpacks over here against the wall. Your umbrellas over here. So your umbrellas, the stand-up ones, are $18.99. That's what those look like. Okay. So these are $14. No, I'm sorry. These are more money. These are $24.99. These little hand ones that you can put away. Then over here you have some backpacks. So let's see. This backpack here is pretty big. Okay, Universal Threads. Oh, that's on clearance, $24.49. See that? Isn't that nice? It's a nice size backpack. And I'm liking that black one. So that one is by A New Day, and that's $29.99. And this black one here is $32.99. Okay, this one here, it's like that tote material, $29.99, and it comes in the black and that color back here. It's like a chartreuse color. And I'm loving these. And then they have the belts. Here, some of them are on clearance. So this one here is $11.89, and this double one right here, this thin one, is $11.89. This one here is a $9.80. This one's pretty. Okay, and it is on clearance for $13.29. So those are nice. They have the hats along the top up here. Okay, so we got some shoes here for 50% off clearance. Let's take a quick look. All right, so these are $12.74. Okay, And that's what those look like. And these are universal threads. They're also on clearance for $12.49, and that's what those look like. And here they go in this color. And these are, let me see, $14.99 universal threads, and there they go in the in that brown color. So then you have these. These are also universal threads, I believe. No, I'm sorry, a New Day. $22.99 in this color and in the black. Look how pretty these are. These are different. Let me see. So these are $24.99 and they're by a New Day. Aren't they pretty? Those are nice. So it says 50% off. Look at these shoes. These are boots. It looks like a wedge inside that boot. Let's see who makes this. Let's see where the tag is. I don't see a tag, but look how they look. Okay. So these, all right, let's see. Those are $29.99. Who makes that? I don't even know who makes that. Sports memory foam. Skechers. Okay. Let's see what else they have here. These are some nice boots. A New Day, and that's $24.99. That's what those look like. Okay. And then let's see what these. Okay, these are by a New Day, and those are $39.99. That's what those look like. Well, let me show you these. So these are $39.99. Look at those. Okay. This is by a New Day. $34.99. That's what those look like. Okay, so let's see. I'm not seeing a price on these. These are some nice looking snow boots. These are the little ones, the little kids boots. So this is $29.99 by Cat and Jack. Aren't those adorable? Okay. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Target just to walk around and see what they have, and I'll see you guys in the next video.